Hi guys, today I have something very special here and it is a mini projector. Actually I was looking for some better and awesome multimedia setup and here it is, a very good mini projector which even I can use with my Raspberry Pi as a media center as well. So without wasting any more further time, let's do this. So here we have our mini LED projector. And before we proceed further, I would like to thank Banggood.com for sending me this for review purpose. So let's open the box and let's see what we have inside it. So very first we have here our mini LED projector. So let's keep it aside for a while and check out the other stuff we have in the box. So here we have the power adapter to power the mini projector. Well, you can use your mini USB cable to power it as well. And then we have a cable to connect AV signal into projector. And next is a remote to control the projector. Then last but not the least, we have a user guide here as well. So this is all we got inside the box. So here we have our projector and here as you can see its lens and there is a slide to adjust the focus of the lens. And the next we have here is a speaker grill for audio output. And the next we have a USB port to connect pen drive to watch movies, play songs, etc. And then we have a full HDMI port to connect HDMI cable and even we can plug our Raspberry Pi and other single board computers here as well. And the next is input power port for the adapter which they provided with it. And here we have a on off switch. Then this one is a 3.5 mm audio output for speakers. And this one here is a port to connect AV cable. And this is a IR receiver for IR remote. And here we have a mini USB port to power it from a mobile phone charger. And then we have a SD card slot to play songs and movies from the SD card. Here we have all the controls of the mini projector and at the bottom we have a hole for mounting it on a tripod. So that's all the specs it has. So for the testing I would go with HDMI cable. And I am connecting HDMI cable to its HDMI port. And for power, I'll be connecting a micro USB cable to power it. And after connecting, you can see the display of the projector on my wall. And it is kind of blurry because of the daylight. So we'll try this at night. And now you can see how good it is. I mean, picture quality is really good for the price offered. So as you can see, a video is playing on it over HDMI. And the audio is not very loud because of small speakers. But it's okay and you can always connect an external speaker to it. Well, the picture quality is really good for the price it is offering. And I'll use this mini projector with my Raspberry Pi to make a multimedia center. And install Kodi on Raspberry Pi and pair it with this mini projector. And I'll enjoy my videos and my multimedia content on this mini projector. So if you are looking for something awesome and cheap to use as a multimedia device, then this is it. The video quality is not top notch here, but the price it is offering, for that the video quality is more than okay. So you can go for it. So guys, that's all for the today and I'll see you guys in another video of mine. Till then, keep exploring.